What's going on, guys? My name's Keith and this is the Printing Workshop. Today we're going to go over the Summarizer app from Xerox App Gallery. So once you have the app installed, you can go ahead and open it and load your paper into the document feeder. So to change the summarization type, you can click on the first option and you can either do extractive or abstractive. So you can either do 5, 10, 15, a whole bunch of different percentages of the length of your original document. In this case, we're going to use a 10% of our original 8-page document. The next option is domain. The domain is what language do you really want this in? And that doesn't mean which language is in English, Spanish, or German. It means, do you want this to be in an insurance background? Do you want it to use words from legal, healthcare, or education? Next, you'll be able to preview your document and decide if you're doing one-sided or two-sided scanning. You'll be able to select the original size, and you'll be able to select that if you want to print your results or just email them to yourself. Once you're ready, you can hit preview, and it'll go ahead and start scanning your document. Once it's scanned and understood your document, it'll show you a preview of what it's going to say now. At 10%, it's shortened to 8 pages down to 227 words. And once I'm happy with that, I can press continue and it'll print my document. And after you have your paper, you're all set. The other way to summarize your documents is using abstractive. Then you'll be given the same options as before. So you'll see that instead of the extractive version, when I did it at 10%, I had 200 words. So it's really understood the document and processed it using the AI technology to create a well-rounded document that anyone can read. Once I'm happy with it, I can press continue and it'll print my document. Once you have your paper, you're all set. If you want to see more quick how-to videos over apps, click right here. If you like this kind of content, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.